Yeah, I gotta edit that out. My whole booty crack was how. Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little challenge. We're gonna do a corset challenge. Back in the day, I used to wear a corset every day, just about. I was also, going to the gym a lot. I was eating fairly light. So I was like, you know what? I done fell back into my old ways. Okay, so I'm gonna put this corset on again. Okay, so I haven't worn this corset in years. So I am going to show you guys me lacing it up, and how it fits, how it looks, and all that kind of fun stuff. But I'll be wearing my corset for about 4 to 8 hours each day. Just depends on my body. But without further ado, look, like granny, got to make sure you look out them blinds, okay? But without further ado, let's go ahead and lace up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and measure. How do y'all like this shirt? Because I feel real cute. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and measure. I have my corset sitting right here along with a whole bunch of other junk. So if you haven't worn a corset before, I don't know if I'm gonna edit this out, but this is gonna go down toward the bottom in the back. So I'm gonna pull this down. Oh my goodness. Then you're gonna put this along the back, and then you see it comes around to the front. So then you can snap your thingies together. Oh Jesus. Loosen it up. Loosen it up. If you need to loosen it up, loosen it up. Y'all don't be out here snapping your back in half trying to squeeze into these corsets. These things are serious, and you can hurt yourself if you're not careful. If you're not wearing it correctly. Don't be out here wearing your corset to the gym. Don't be out here wearing your corset to go walk a mile and run 20 million errands either. Okay? So I got it on. So then I got these strings in the back. And I'm going to take the 2 top strings. And I'm going to pull the 2 top strings. Whole booty crack out? Yeah, I gotta edit that out. My whole booty crack was out. Okay. So I'm gonna pull the top strings only. Okay. Sometimes this little middle piece acts right. Sometimes it don't. Okay. So I got the top piece pulled, and then I usually hold on to it up here, and now I take the bottom row, the bottom strings, if you can see that, and then so that is as tight as I'm gonna go. I know it's pretty open in the back, but it feels good for me, and that's what you want. There used to be a point, y'all, where this thing could close, baby. That's how you knew. Okay, I was a waist training queen. Okay, I was not playing these games out here. But time to change. Yeah, so that is it. It is on. And after 7 days, we will do a check-in and we will see where we are. So this is what it looks like on, and we'll check back in after 7 days, and we'll measure and we'll do all that kind of fun stuff, and then I will give you some final thoughts and some tips on waist training or corset training. All right, peace. All right, buenos dias, mis gentes bonitas. Good morning, my beautiful people. So I'm in the same clothes that I had on. Wanted to make sure that we had as good of a comparison as we possibly could. I am going to grab the tape measure and we are going to see what has happened. Y'all, I'm using a paper towel. Hold it. So when we measured the first time, we were at about, let me pull out my tape measure. Whew. This thing is coming so handy. We were right over 26 and a half. We were probably like, I don't know, 26.1. I don't even know what that is. I guess that's 26.6. I don't know. So it looks like we came up to about maybe 2 notches or 3 notches from where we were. So maybe somewhere around this area. So we started here and we inched up to somewhere in this little area. I couldn't see for sure. So I am going to take some pictures, and I took some pictures beforehand as well. So we are going to compare those pictures side by side and we are going to see the proof in the pudding. Okay, let's get into these pictures. I put up the pictures side by side and you can see a slight difference between the two. My waist did cinch just a little bit. It's not major. Keep in mind, it's only been 7 days, but in just a short amount of time, you can see that there are some changes that are taking place. And if I keep going and continue to waist train, I can guarantee you that it's going to cinch even more, because I have done this in the past and I'm telling you, waist training is amazing, okay? So yeah, I'm really happy about the 7-day challenge. I took both pictures in the morning time and at the same time of getting out of the bed. And what else did I do? I made sure to also wear the same clothing so that we could have a really good comparison point. And I am working on a corset playlist, so be on the lookout for that. It may already be linked somewhere in this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to The Vibe, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all.